Hi, my name is Michael,
And I'm Conor.
and together we created our business, Mellor and Murphey Lawn Maintenance. We provide top-of-the-line professional care and maintenance to your lawns.
We provide mulching, hedge trimming, lawn mowing, branch cutting, and much, much more. But wait, Michael, when did this all start?
I'm glad you asked. For the past few years, I have been providing lawn care services to local houses around me. I entered the 10th grade at Springside Chestnut Hill Academy and started my time in the CEL program. I immediately knew that I wanted to pursue landscaping as my project.
We started our company by researching various competitors in the area, how we could advertise our company, and how we were going to manage customers along with the money we were making. Our goal is to make enough money to be able to expand our company into other parts of Philadelphia and eventually the rest of the United States. We want to hire employees so that we can compete with some of the larger companies in the area.
The facts: 40% of homeowners hire landscapers. We also found that the higher percent of people who own investment property and multiple homes around the area hire a landscaping company instead of a tenant doing it. About 60% of older millennials own a home with a lawn around the age 40 to 55 years old.
This is our target market because as they get older, they might not be able to do the work, so they hire us. Another reason we target them is because they work 9-to-5 jobs and may not have the time to do the lawn work, which is another reason why they will hire us. As of right now, we are only able to work on weekends because of school. But going into the summer, we are going to be able to work every single day, anytime during the day. Anytime that you need us to be there, we will be there doing what you need us to do. In this video, our clients' hedges were very overgrown, so I'm just doing a cleanup for the spring and summer seasons. Going into this mowing clip, we can see Michael is doing a very good job of keeping the grass cut low and very precise with what he is doing. He is taking his time and he's not rushing, doing a very good job making sure that our client's lawn is getting properly mowed and that the grass is looking nice.
This lawn is one of the ones we service weekly, and right now I'm just going through with the weed whacker, making sure I get everything that I missed with the mower. Yeah. So now that I'm done with the mower and the weed whacker, I'm going through with the edger to give the lawn a really defined look that every lawn should have. You know, it really makes it look good and it'll stand out to people walking by.
After finishing a job for our clients, we always make sure to clean up. Our goal is to try to make your house look better than the way we found it, and that's something that we're trying to do with every house that we go to. Our motto is that we are better than professionals, and we take this very seriously. As teenage entrepreneurs making a startup business, many people do not take us seriously. That's why we charge lower rates and lower pricing than many of the professionals, and we provide better and more efficient care than all of them.
For our rates, we'll go out to the property and see how big the lawn is and try to give a judgment on how long it will take, and that's how we price our lawns. And for mulching, we go out to the property, we measure the beds, and we calculate how many yards it needs, and then we calculate the price for the amount of bags or the amount of mulch we'll need, plus the hours it'll take us. We charge about $27 an hour, so the hours and the price for material, we add that up, and that's how we get our price for mulch. So far, we have crushed our goal and made over $4,000 in just 2 weeks, and we're expanding every day. I'm Michael.
I'm Conor.
And we're the co-founders of Mellor
Murphey Lawn Maintenance.